Okay, we're going to take a look at drawing number 3. That's this one. This is the handout you guys have. Again, if you need to make it bigger or smaller so you can see because those numbers are small, you can zoom in on these. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Okay, this is the drawing, and we're going to model this front side right here. This is going to be a little bit tricky because we've got to go down and over, and we've got to find this point. And then this line, we got to locate it precisely so that it's in the right place. And we're going to use a new tool called the tape measure tool to put a guideline in to help us with that. So without further ado, this is drawing number 2. I'm just going to create a new one. New model, simple feet and inches. Let this guy go. So this drawing is 5 inches long, and I get that measurement right here. So from here to this point down here is 5 inches, and it's 2.5 inches tall. And this line right here is 1 inch, and I get that right there. So I'm going to click on this red line, come this way, and that's 76 feet currently. So I'm going to type 5 quotation for inches, and it's going to get real small and disappear. Not to worry. I'm just going to zoom in. I can start to see my line. There it is. So now I'm going to go up the 2.5 inches, so 2.5 quotation return. And then along the red axis this way, not the green one. Remember, if you do the green one, when you orbit, you're going to notice it goes that way. It goes the wrong way. I know it's kind of an optical illusion. So do the red axis, 1 inch return, and then escape. So now let's take a look at this. So this point, to get here, we need to go both down 1.25 inches, so 1.25 inches down. And then we also got to go from here, we got to go over this amount, which is 3/4 of an inch. So what I'm going to do is use the tape measure tool. And it's right here, the tape measure. And if you click on a line, it'll put a parallel line in it as long as you don't click on the corner. If you click on a corner, it wants to put just like a little point, and we don't want that. So click on the line, you're going to go over 1 inch plus a little bit more, 3/4. And if you want to, you can type that in 1.75 quotation. You can see in the lower right-hand corner down there that the measurement went in. Okay, just don't drag over there when you're typing the dimension because it will mess it up. So you just click, you drag, you type in 1.75, and then return, and the line should go to where it needs to be. I have 2 of them there, so I'm going to take one out and do it one more time. T, by the way, oh, there we go, 1.1 3/4. Okay, so I know from here to here is 3/4 of an inch, but I got to go from here down 1.25 inches. So tape measure. Again, don't click on the end, just click here. Go straight down, blue line, 1.25 quotation return. Now I can draw my line from this point to this point. And that's the hardest part about this assignment. So now I just got to draw this line. It is 2 inches. And then I'm just going to connect the end of that line to the point. And I'm going to go over, type 2 quotation return, and connect to the end point. And now the face fills in. I can use my push-pull tool, which is over here, or I can just press the P key and go in 1.5, just 1.5 quotation return. And now I can erase. So now I'm going to put my measurements in. Long tool. I'll click here, then down to here, then up. This one you can click to come up, and this one turn it blue and just drag to the left. And you can see how I'm clicking on those. If it doesn't want to turn blue, you can always just click on the corners. Clicking right here and coming across, clicking right here and coming across that way. All right, so again, it's a good idea to count your measurements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, there's one more. I forgot this one, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let me come back and add that one in. Okay. And then again, always save your work. Please save it and name it, your period number, your name, and DR3, okay, for this drawing. Thank you.